Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting prerequisites ready. Make sure Dropbox is installed and fully synced, and that you have admin rights on your PC. Install Vera Crypt now. It's free and reliable for encrypted containers. Once done, create a new container file inside your Dropbox folder so the encrypted volume syncs automatically. Make a small test container first, choose encryption and size, and set a strong password. This protects the folder before you move sensitive files into it. Now you create and mount the container. Open VeraCrypt, select Create Volume, and pick a standard VeraCrypt container located in your Dropbox folder. Choose AES or a Cascade, set the size, and format with NTFS if you need files over 4 GB. Mount the volume with your password. It appears as a drive letter. Move or copy your sensitive folder into that mounted drive. Then dismount when you're done so the encrypted file is locked and ready to sync without exposing content. Finish by confirming the container dismounted and Dropbox completed syncing. This ensures the encrypted file on the cloud is current. Make a header backup or copy of the container file to an external drive. This helps if corruption occurs. If things go wrong, pause Dropbox, dismount the container, and check for conflicting files, then resume sync. If you forget the password, there's no recovery, so store credentials securely. Finally, test access on your other device by mounting the same container and verifying contents.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.